Parvati Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
This life, this human life, we have now, in other life, we have enjoyed sense pleasure to the fullest extent. What we can enjoy in this human life. In other life, of course, according to Darwin's theory, just prior to this human life there was monkey life. So, the monkey, you have no experience. In India you have got experience. Each and every monkey has got at least 100 girls with him. 100. So, what we are going to enjoy? Every each they have got party. And each party, one monkey has got at least 50, 60, not less than 25. So, a hog's life, they have got also dozens. And they have no distinction. Who is my mother, who is my sister, who is my relative. You see? So they enjoy. So do you mean to say that human life is meant like that? Like monkeys and hogs and cats and dogs? Is that perfection of human life? To satisfy sense gratification? No. That we have enjoyed in various forms of life. Now, the Vedanta says, Athātu Brahma Jignāsa. This life is for inquiring and understanding Brahma. What is that Brahma? Ishara, Parama, Brahma, or Ishara, Parama, Krishna. And Krishna is Parabrahma. Brahma, we are all Brahma. But he is Parabrahma, the Supreme Brahma. Ishara, Parama, Krishna. Just like you are all Americans, but your President Johnson is the Supreme American. That is nature. Veda says that the supreme of everyone is God. Nitya nityanam chetanas chetananam. Who is God? That He is the most perfect eternal, He is the most perfect living force. That is God. Eka bahunam vidadhati kaman. Eka bahunam vidadhati kaman. The meaning is that one living force is supplying all the demands of all other living entities. Just like in a family, the father is supplying the necessities of the wife, the children, the servant, a small family. Similarly, you expand it, the government or the state or the king is supplying the necessities of all the citizens, but everything is incomplete. Everything is incomplete. You can supply your family, you can supply your society, you can supply your country, but you cannot supply everyone. But there are millions and trillions of living entities. Who is supplying food? Who is supplying hundreds and thousands of ants within the hole in your room? Who is supplying food? When you go to the Green Lake, there are thousands of ducks. Who is taking care of them? But they are living. There are millions of sparrows, birds, beasts, elephants. At one time he eats 100 pounds. Who is supplying food? Not only here, But as there are many millions and trillions of planets and universes everywhere, that is God. Nitya Nityanam Eka Bahunam Vidadhati Kama. Everyone is dependent on Him, and He is supplying all the necessities. All the necessities. Everything. Complete. Just like this planet, everything is complete. Purnamidam, Purnamata, Purnamada, Purnat Purnamudachyate, Purnasya Purnamadaya, Purnameva Vasishyate. Every planet is so made that it is complete in itself. The water is there, dissolved in the seas and oceans. That water is taken away by the sunshine. Not only here, in other planets also, the same process is going on. It is transformed into cloud, then distributed all over the land, and there is growing vegetables, fruits and plants, everything. So everything is complete. Arrangement. That we have to understand, that who has made this complete arrangement? Everywhere. The sun is rising in due time, the moon is rising in due time, the seasons are changing in due time. So how you can say there is evidence in the Vedas? There is God.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare